What up YouTube, this is Arod a million. I'm not feeling good at all. I'm feeling like
oh my god!
We got Los Cutted, Crispy Genie, and
Meister.
Alright, let's go. We got the brand new lime green Arod glove. If you want to prevent hair splinters, chemical reactions, or increase your tool grip, make sure you get them at www.elegancegel.com. The link is down below in the description. I want to thank all my subscribers that wait for all my videos, everybody that follows me on Instagram and Facebook, but always come to YouTube to get that long extended version of the video. Thank you guys. If you just landed on this video and you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Make sure you comment down below if you like this hairstyle, if you like no color in my hair, just my regular haircut and regular hair. Make sure you leave down below a comment. Appreciate it. Yeah.
Meister.
Alright, I got a quick question to all my barbers and all my stylists. Which trimmer is your favorite? Just drop it down below in the comments. Para todos los barberos y todas las estilistas, tengo una pregunta. ¿Cuál es el trimmer preferido de ustedes? Allá abajo en los comentarios déjenlo. El mío es el Wall Detailer y el Babyliss Gold FX Skeleton. Esos son los dos míos. Dime cuáles son los tuyos. Which one is yours? can find all the products that are being used on this video down below. Click on the link www.elegancegel.com.
Meister.
I want to take the second to thank Los Cutter for coming to the Elegant Studio and blessing me with a haircut. Also Crispy Genie for flying in all the way from Philly. Thank you, y'all killers. Hey, these two artists right here, I'm gonna leave all their information down in the description so you can click and follow them on all their social medias. You can also book your appointment at elegantstudio.com. Choose the Chicago location. If you're in LA, go to the one in LA. Thank you guys for watching, all my subscribers. If you're not subscribed, if you want to subscribe button is right there. Appreciate it. This is Arod, Millie. I'll see you next time, people. I'm out.